You've heard about AI, you've probably heard about Claude. But opening it for the first time and actually knowing what to do, those are two different things. In this episode, we start from zero. What it is, how the interface works, and how to have a conversation that actually gets you somewhere. Go to Claude.ai and create a free account. When you first log in, this is what you'll see. The interface has three parts. On the left, your sidebar. This is where all your past conversations are stored. In the center, the main chat area. This is where your conversation with Claude happens, and at the bottom, the input box. That's where you type, simple setup. Everything else flows from here. Most people start the same way. They type something like, give me 10 marketing ideas, and Claude responds. Looks helpful, covers the basics. But here's the problem. Technically correct, completely useless. Claude has no idea what your business is, who your customers are, or what's already been tried. Generic input produces generic output. That's not a Claude problem, that's a context problem. The fix is simple. Watch what changes when you add context. Same topic, but this time you tell Claude who you are, what you sell, who your customers are, and what you actually need from this. Same model, same question underneath. But now Claude knows it's helping a bakery targeting local Manchester customers for a weekend promotion. The response isn't generic anymore. It's specific, relevant, and directly usable. That's the difference context makes. Same topic, same model, completely different answer. The only thing that changed, the context you gave it. Context is the skill, and here's where it gets more powerful. Claude remembers everything in the same conversation. You said bakery, Claude remembers. You said Manchester, Claude remembers. Build on it. Keep going. You don't have to repeat yourself every time. The biggest mistake beginners make, starting a new chat for every single task. Every new chat, Claude forgets everything. Who you are, what your business is, what you told it. Stay in one conversation, and Claude gets smarter about your situation with every message. Try it right now. Open Claude and type, I need to politely decline a meeting request. I'm already overbooked this week and I don't want to seem rude. Draft me an email. One sentence, one task, see what comes back. 4 things to take from this episode. 1. Give Claude context, who you are, what you need, and why. 2. Stay in one conversation. Don't start over. 3. Treat it like a back and forth, not a search engine. 4. The more specific you are, the better it performs. That's it. That's the whole foundation. Subscribe to the channel for more.